It's May the 4th, so it's time to do something Star Wars. You get it? May the 4th, like May the 4th be with you. Oh. So I'm going to start like with a circle up here. I'm going to be drawing a Mandelorian Pez container dispenser. And I had to actually go and look up, see if they still make Pez. And I used to have Pez. I loved Pez as a kid. And you know, you'd have to, I had a bit of a collection. So we've got feet down at the bottom here like this. So we want 1, 2, 3 coming down. This is the main body of the Pez. And then we want to get this kind of logo thing in here that's going to fit, squeeze in there. And we want to have a P and an E and a Z. It's just quite a tricky one to do that Z like that. Now this line here, in fact, we want these to be going like that. So they all want to be following the same kind of line. Hey, if you got this far, you like drawing, so go down there, click the button and subscribe to Draw Stuff Real Easy for lots more videos. We can start drawing. So if we come up around, maybe a slightly higher, and then come down to the front there like that. And then we want to draw a curve and join it up at the bottom there like that. Now, around about there, we want to get up. And here we want to come and do this sort of visor thing like that. A bit like that. And I think we can then put an ellipse there, which is, I don't know, what is it, hearing thing? Something like that. And then that can come down there, and then this is going to come down there like that. Around there is like a circlet, and then that wants to come up to the top, and continue around there. Now, if we ink that in, what you might like to do is to leave a little bit of white there, and that will give you a kind of a sense of the thickness of the material of the helmet. There we go, like that. And now we can draw the body of the Pez coming down there and there and there. It's kind of a bit wobbly. It doesn't matter. Don't, if you want straight lines, get yourself a ruler. Okay, I'm doing this freehand. So we want this to be kind of coming around there like that, following this line of the perspective. We bring that down to there, and then this is where it gets a bit complicated. So we have to build the letters out of these sort of blocks. So it's like Pez is made out of bricks or something. Oh well, of course it is, isn't it? It's made out of the actual candy itself, isn't it? Or we call it sweets here in the UK. So we need to go like that. I never thought of that before. It's just this moment I've suddenly realised this Pez logo is actually made up of the little bricks that you get inside a Pez. Those are the actual candies that you eat, aren't they? It's taken me a lifetime to work that out. Now we're going to come all the way around the bottom like that, up and around at the back. So then we can draw the thickness of the base like that. So I am pretty sure that the ink is dry, but you make sure the ink is dry before you erase out those pencil lines. And when you do, of course, no one will know how brilliant an artist you are, because they think you've just drawn it. They don't know that you've planned it out before. It's good to plan a drawing. It's what real artists do. It's what real professional artists do. So I'm going to put some shading in here. Just these little flicky lines underneath there like that. And I'm going to maybe put some just behind there. And maybe on the ground as well, which will help to place the whole thing with a little line like that on the table. There you go. How to draw a Mandelorian Pez dispenser. And may the 4th be with you.